It's like this.
You're not
part.
gonna cut it? Oh,
No, I do not want to cut it.
All this stuff.
Is it the fat?
Hi, Mustangs. It's me. I'm at anatomy with my friend Angel. Yeah.
Hello.
Hi, Angel. So what do you do with this dead mink?
So what we're doing with the dead mink is we are currently dissecting it, just seeing what it looks like on the inside.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you specifically dissecting? Like,
So
opening out?
currently we're just looking, like, as you can see, we're just trying to get some of that residual fat on there.
Okay.
Just trying to see what it's like.
Scientific curiosity.
Yes.
And how is cutting the mink?
Stinky. Stinky.
Well, we aren't really cutting it yet. We're just taking off some of this so that we can see more of the muscles of the mink. We're gonna do it on both shoulders and on the hind legs.
Yeah, we're trying to see the all the connective tissue.
All right.
So, and then when you get in here,
And what have you named your
you're
mink?
trying to
Patricia P. Stinky.
separate these
The P
muscles,
stands for
do
peanut.
something
Yep.
like this.
Beautiful name.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ew, look at all that. Delicious.
And then you want to
Let's like open it up and all that. Oh look, there's an intestine. Oh yeah.
Good morning, Mustangs. I'm Xavier, and here's the news. Come out and buy your yearbook in L203 for $80. Seniors, don't miss out on the senior walk information available in the advisory slides. Blue Jays will be having tryouts May 22nd after school in the dance studio. Students, if you're issued a locker this year by an assistant principal, Mr. Gutierrez, let's have it cleared out by 4:20 p.m. this Friday. There will be a Pep Squad parent meeting on Tuesday, May 27th at 6:30 p.m. in B135. The senior trip to SeaWorld is this Thursday, and we will be leaving at 10 a.m. Make sure you're wearing your J shirt. Senior parade will be this Friday during advisory. Seniors, make sure that you have your cap and gown ready. Only 6 days of school left, and now this.
Sure, so my project was on how water pH affects the germination of radish seeds. I did a trial for 7 days, and from my hypothesis, I thought that alkaline and acidity was going to stop germination altogether. But essentially, alkaline wasn't buried behind on neutral water, which is just any drinking water you probably plant your plants with. But acidity didn't germinate at all, so it kind of contrasted with my hypothesis, but it also completed it too.
So, from what you have learned, have you like figure out anything else that's like brings out more of what you're learning about?
Well, I know very little about this already, so doing this experiment helped me learn a lot about how pH affects plants at all.
Okay.
Because I didn't really think about that. Because when you think about it, you know, you're growing plants in your house or growing plants outside, you don't really think about what's happening in the air or what acidity there is. But I'd really like to expand on this by using different types of plants and, you know, using soil to see how plants grow differently. Because mold did grow on these. And that's because it was just water on a sponge. And so using the soil, I can see how, like, of course alkaline wasn't part of my neutral, but if it was in soil, would it stop at some point in length? Or would there be different mutations? And using different types of seeds would help me understand that pH is something that affects all plants. Like acidic pH, maybe some plants flourish in acidity, or maybe some flourish in alkaline. But, you know, that's something like to expand on here.
This specific plant reducing pollution.
Okay. And could you tell me more about it?
For my project, I took 2 experiments, right? One experiment was without the plant, just to see the average pollution. The second one was with the plant. And from the data right here, the one with the flag, which is the red one, you can see the decrease of pollution right here. So the blue one, without the flag, you can see the carbon monoxide on the blue. So the one with the flag reduces a lot of pollution. So for my conclusion, the second test with the flag reduced a lot of pollution.
And did your predictions were the same that you expected, or were you shocked by something else that you've discovered?
I think it was like matching up with my prediction, because my prediction was that it reduced greatly, but I don't know.
My project's about testing techniques, and I used different surfaces, different lights to do it. I did everything the same boxes, 2 centimeters, and then I tested with a green light, purple light, and a black light. And then these are the results. The green light got affected the most, and the black light, the white surfaces really did get affected. The red lights, all of them, it was just a mix. So I had to do 3 different graphs on the lights, the markers, and surfaces, and I did a scale through 1 through 5 of how bad or good the pigment stays after degrading the light.
And were your predictions like predictable, or were you expecting something way different?
I wasn't expecting that much to go away, the degradation of it. I didn't as much, maybe a little bit, but not really. I only did a course of 10 days. That's how I knew the game was gonna